tourists have been pictured in extraordinary apocalypse by the sea images as Turkey is ravaged by wildfires. The doomsday images show Russian holidaymakers in the shadow of a devastating inferno feared to have been caused by arsonists. Black smoke ominously blots out the sun on normally popular beaches and hotel pools. Videos also show how a giant Russian B-200 amphibious aircraft prepares to scoop up water to drench the blazing forests in Antalya province. A helicopter is also seen gathering water to fight the blazes in Antalya. Russians on the beach are trying to carry on with their long-overdue and post-pandemic holidays in Turkey. But others have expressed alarm over the wildfires. "I just woke up because of the smell of burning and smoke," said Valentina from Rostov. "We opened the windows and saw a yellow sky. It is the first time I have seen this. It is like a horror movie." "There was no power in the hotel yesterday, the lifts were not working. It is scary." Maria Zagorodsky posted, "Today I was panicking wildly. I really thought it was my last day." At 11:30 a.m. we went aside, everything was calm, and a fire truck drove past us. When we arrived at the sea, we did not understand what was happening at first. It was scary. I did not understand what was better to do, go to the hotel, it is towards the fire, or stay where I was. There was an awful wind, and I did not understand the scale and location of the fire. It was very hot, the wind was hot. Another comment read, "I am panicking too and I am ready to flee." The smell of burning is awful, it is hard to breathe, we are in Manavgat. Despite the appalling images on the coast, another post from tourist Radik Sabarzianov, on holiday with his partner and their 2 children, said the beaches were safe. "Those who are on holiday in Antalya are not threatened by wildfires," he said. The infernos are far from popular hotels. However, all excursions inside Sorgun and Manavgat have been postponed. Get news updates direct to your inbox with the Mirror's free newsletters. Pick the one that's right for you at www.mirror.co.uk/email. Speaking of the smoke-filled skies, Yana Gerasimova said, "We feel tiny compared to nature." Turkey reportedly deployed 106 fire engines, 15 helicopters, and 2 planes on Wednesday to extinguish a raging forest fire close to Manavgat. Officials reported emergency services were trying to take control of a massive fire.